Hey, what's up, World Championship Taekwondo? This is Master Marcus here, and I'm super excited to be bringing you all our Week 4 schedule video for our 2016 Summer Camp program that's happening at both the Gateway and 6 Mile locations. So welcome, guys. I'll jump right into it. So this week, we are going to be closed at both locations on Monday, July 4th, in celebration of the July 4th holiday. We will be taking our normal movie theater field trip this week, where 6 Mile travels to the Bell Tower Theater and Gateway is going to be traveling to the Gulf Coast Theater. No purchasing of snacks at the concession. Your child needs to be checked into Taekwondo no later than 9 a.m. The school bus will be leaving by 9:20. The movie runs from 10 to about 11:30, and then we're back to Taekwondo by 12 o'clock, to where then your child will have lunch following that right away. So please remember to bring camp t-shirt, closed-toed shoes, and socks, as we're taking a bus ride, obviously, so we need to make sure that we're prepared for the field trip day. Our Summer Olympics Day, this is going to be happening again this week. I know in week 3 we had a Summer Olympics Day. It's not going to be the same events. We're going to definitely be switching things up, but our theme day or special theme day for the week is going to be another Summer Olympics Day. This is going to be, basically, we're just doing this in celebration of the real Olympics that are going to be starting here in the next few months. It's just our way to kind of have the kids go through qualification process and run through different events where they're going to actually earn awards for their efforts. So it's a lot of fun for them. It burns a lot of energy, and they get super excited about that. Our big field trip of the week this week, guys, is going to be a trip to the Chuck E. Cheese. Your child needs to be checked into the facility no later than 11 a.m. The bus leaves by 11:30. Field trip runs from about 12 to 2, and then we're back to Taekwondo by about 2:30. And just like last week, we're going to probably have lunch on the front end and back end of this field trip, just so you guys are prepared for that. Again, camp t-shirt, closed-toed shoes, and socks is all you'll need for this field trip. This week we're in our popcorn and movie day here at the Taekwondo school. Each week we rotate back and forth between pizza and movie and popcorn and movie. So week 4 is going to be popcorn and movie. No extra cost to you. We provide the popcorn. Please be sure to still pack a lunch for your child. This is just a snack. It's a fun way to let the kids have a nice snack while we show an age-appropriate movie here at the Taekwondo school. So schedule this week, Monday, for the 6 Mile location, we are closed. Tuesday is going to be our Bell Tower movie theater field trip. Wednesday is the Summer Olympics Day. Thursday is our big field trip to Chuck E. Cheese. And Friday is our popcorn and movie day here at the Taekwondo school. Gateway, you are also closed on Monday. Tuesday is your Summer Olympics Day. Wednesday is the Gulf Coast movie theater field trip. Thursday is your popcorn and movie day at the Taekwondo school. And Friday is your big field trip to Chuck E. Cheese. So, hey guys, I just want to thank you so much for allowing your child to be a part of our program. We really appreciate it. I hope they're having a blast this year. I hope you're all having a great day. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you so much.